Hey everybody, it's Coach Dan Long here with the Over 40 Protocol, and today I'm at the gym. I came here specifically for you. If you're like me, over the age of 40, I'm almost 46 years old, and you're looking to do cardio, right? To boost metabolism, boost hormones, and defy the aging process, you must move differently, especially when it comes to cardio. Now, I came to the gym specifically to show you this one particular amazing piece of equipment. If you're ever gonna invest and or go to the gym, this is the piece of equipment that you're gonna wanna use. Now, before I get started, do me a favor. See that link around here? Don't touch it, don't click it, don't look at it. Pay attention to this machine, because this is your #1 priority right now to boost metabolism, boost hormones, and defy the aging process. This is called a Concept 2, and this is a row machine, okay? Now, it's easy on the knees, it's easy on the spine, it's also very effective, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to use this one piece of equipment today while everybody's walking in the gym, okay? You excited? Oh, and by the way, stick with me, because at the end of this, I have something that's perfect that goes with this, specifically designed for you if you're over the age of 40, okay? So first, you want to get this machine. This is an expensive piece of equipment if you want to buy it, but you can go to one of the local gyms, and most places have this exact machine. Concept 2 is the name of it. You're going to sit into this machine just like so. So you put your tush right here on the seat. You're going to adjust your feet into the straps just like so, and you tighten these up, okay? So feet go in, tighten them up. Grab a hold of your handles. Now up here, you'll have a display. You can set all kinds of intervals, right? Burst, anything you want, which by the way, if you're not getting into the metabolic zone, stick with me because I have that for you in a second, okay? So then all you do is, look at this, okay? Chin up, chest up, extend out, roll back, bring this in, and the resistance is here in your arms and also in your legs pushing off at the same exact time. This is a very effective piece of cardio equipment. Now, you guys have seen the Olympic, right? The Olympic boats that are going with the rowers. Those people are so thick. This is exact movements that they use inside those boats, okay? So if you want to look Olympic and you want to feel Olympic, this is an amazing one for anyone like yourself and myself that's over the age of 40. Now, how much would you do? What I would want you to do is set yourself up for success. Start with approximately 5 minutes on this and see how you feel. Your intensity should be your breathing patterns. Remember, in the nose, out the mouth. You should feel intensity within however many minutes you push yourself. If 5 minutes is like your max, start there. If 10, 15 minutes is your max, start there. Whatever it is to get to the level 10, how many minutes it takes you to get there, meaning intense-wise, right? How intense is the actual exercise? If you're breathing heavy and you gotta take breaks, then that means that you're starting to push yourself. That's what I want you to do. You want to get to a point where you can do 5 to 10 minutes of this. 1 minute, extremely fast. The next minute, coast at a normal pace. So 1 minute on, 1 minute coasting at a regular pace. If you do that, and you do that for 5 to 10 minutes, you're gonna boost metabolism, you're gonna boost hormones, and you're also gonna defy the aging process, because I want you to live a healthy lifestyle. Now, here's the thing, do me a favor real quick. If you love this, and you love that I came to the gym, you want more of these tips and tricks, down here right now, hit a like, hit a heart, hit a share. Share it with someone, a family member, maybe a friend, maybe a coworker. So hit that like, hit that heart, hit that share. And then down in the comments below, right now, I want you to put down here, I want more videos, 2 exclamation marks. I want more videos, 2 exclamation marks. Down here in the comments below, and I'll bring you more videos, okay? And I'll bring you, I take yourself all over the gym. I go to the gym, I go all over the place and bring you these videos. Now, I have something that goes with this that's perfect if you're over the age of 40. And it's called the Over 40 Ab and Flat Belly Solution. It's taken, listen, I've trained people for over 20 plus years. Moms, dads, kids, military, professional athletes, Olympians, you name it. And the one thing that we all know, to defy the aging process, right? To live a healthy lifestyle past the age of 40, you have to move differently, okay? We have specific moves and protocols that are specifically designed in this system. That's called the Over 40 Flat Belly and Ab Solution. Now, when you click in a second, don't click just yet. When you click in a second, you're not only gonna see me, You're also gonna see my wife. She's 42 with 3 amazing kids, living a healthy lifestyle. You're also gonna see my partner and great friend, Sean Hatzel. He's a freaking ripped grandpa with 6-pack abs. Yes, a grandpa with abs, okay? And his wife, she's 58, living a healthy lifestyle, boosting hormones and metabolism using this exact system. The Over 40 Flat Belly and Abs Solution is for you if you're ready. If not, thanks for stopping on here. Make sure you get a little love from this machine somewhere, okay? Trust me, you're gonna love me after you try it. But if you're ready and you want the specific protocols and specific moves that go with this perfect to boost metabolism hormones, it's time for you to click this link now. Go to the link and check it out. I want to thank you for stopping on this feed. Keep going strong. Click the link now.